Universe, Trillion Theory. Welcome to Trillion Theory. I'm Canadian theorist, pen name Ed Luke. Trillion Theory is a new universe theory founded by Canadian theorist, pen name Ed Luke. This is one of 30 videos in my Trillion Theory series. For the full-length cosmic story, go to my YouTube channel, Universe, New Trillion Theory. This is video number 21, Proofs for Trillion Theory. Don't blindly accept things. Big Bang is wrong. Its so-called proofs are easily refuted. For example, small galaxies have been exploding with supernova Big Bang force for 1 trillion years. We shouldn't blindly accept things. Astronomers can be wrong, saying that a black hole results from a supernova that implodes, creating a black hole. Trillion Theory says no. It says the black hole was always inside of the star. After supernova, the black hole survives to be naked, regaining ultra-fast spin to eat light from the melting of its planets and moons. This action is an illusion of imploding into a black hole. But you say, can Trillion Theory be proven? Trillion Theory says that there is super science at work in our cosmos. Much more is afoot here than meets the eye. Clever scientific design. Only two things involved. Light is the incredible material that can spin into matter and later recycle back to light. And black holes are the engines that spin light into matter to build a sphere, and billions of years later recycle that matter back to light. Trillion Theory's 5 proofs. Proofs of Trillion Theory are based upon the building talents of black holes. Einstein was the first to predict that black holes exist in the cosmos. Stephen Hawking later made ideas popular about black holes. In 2019, NASA took the first ever real photo of a black hole, proving that they exist. The $10 billion James Webb Space Telescope will blast into orbit in 2021. Its large mirror will look for the oldest light in the cosmos, as it will peer deeper into black holes, hopefully to prove Trillion Theory. I'm theorist Ed Luke saying black holes built our cosmos. Trillion Theory says this about what black holes can do. Light captured is spun into matter. Light is trapped for billions of years. Light escapes after billions of years. Here's a new key to black holes. Astronomers proclaim nothing can escape a black hole. Stephen Hawking recanted, saying radiation escapes. Trillion Theory states light trapped by a black hole always escapes. It just takes billions of years. Follow the process. A naked black hole eats till full, cloaked inside the sphere it built. But after billions of years, that cloaked black hole weakens, losing its matter, which escapes back to light. Volcanoes example this process, and suns, and a supernova whose black hole uncloaks back to naked to build a new sphere. 1 trillion years ago, dating back to the cosmic origin, black holes began their vital work. Trillion Theory has 5 proofs that it predicts will be substantiated in the future. Proof number 1 for Trillion Theory will be discovered in the aftermath of a supernova that destroys its solar system. Surviving the supernova blast is an area filled with empty naked black holes. Each black hole had been cloaked inside one of the spheres of the old solar system. The naked black holes utilize the regained fast spin to battle for light to spin into matter as they build their new sphere. Proof number 1 for Trillion Theory. A graveyard with many black holes. After a supernova, each black hole that was inside a solar system orb survives naked and regains fast spin to eat tons of light to build its orb for a next generation solar system. Proof for Trillion Theory will come when astronomers find many black holes after a supernova. The strategic black hole from the old sun uses its size to eat the most light and become the center of the next solar system in its ancient galaxy. Trillion Theory calls on astronomers to discover the community of naked black holes that survive a supernova. Proof number 2 for Trillion theory. To uncover the true age of a supermassive black hole at hundreds of billions of years old. The supermassive black hole of a galaxy may be an ancient 950 billion years old, while its newest generation of stars and solar systems are younger than 15 billion years. Supermassive at Hotel Central controls millions of stars. Every day another star goes supernova, making the black holes of that solar system replicate and recycle, whereby the galaxy grows in star and solar system population. As supermassive evolves over hundreds of billions of years, it deploys clever adaptation to hasten galaxy growth. It pulls halo suns in close, forcing them to go supernova, where the cloaked black holes that were inside solar system spheres survive naked, replicate, and eat light to build a new sphere for a new solar system. This action gains the galaxy larger, more numerous solar systems. The supermassive avoids growing itself into a sun. Instead it breathes, expelling light plumes to feed its newly born solar systems. Proof number 3 for Trillion theory. Someday a black hole will be discovered inside of a cosmic sphere. Trillion theory, discovery number 1. Black holes spin light into matter. Black holes are incredible entities. They capture light for the specific purpose of spinning it into matter. Discovery number 2. Black holes build cosmic spheres. A black hole vigorously captures light, spinning that light into matter to erect a spheroid of matter around itself. Discovery number 3. Black hole cloaks inside its sphere. After a black hole spins enough light into matter, it resides hidden for billions of years inside the sphere it built. There's a cloaked black hole inside of our Earth, our Moon, and our Sun. Discovery number 4. Black holes supply spin and gravity. A black hole provides actual spin and gravity to the sphere it occupies. Trillion theory discovery number 5 says that there is a small black hole at the core of every planet and moon, and a larger black hole inside of the Sun centering a solar system, and a supermassive black hole at the hub of every galaxy. Discovery number 6. Black holes by the quadrillions. Black holes are visibly naked during their light-eating phase, but quadrillions more black holes are in their hidden phase, inside the orb they built. Quadrillions of black holes work the cosmos, as supermassive controls an entire galaxy, while smaller black holes supply rotation and gravity to suns, planets, and moons. Proof number 4 for Trillion theory could occur right in a physics lab. What if we emulate a black hole in a lab? What if light can be coiled into a spin? What if light can be spun to form matter? This would prove the reason that black holes attract and spin light is to forge atoms. Trillion theory, discovery number 1. Black holes spin light into matter. Black holes are incredible entities. They capture light for the specific purpose of spinning it into matter. Trillion theory calls on physicists to discover how to spin light into atoms to emulate a black hole. Proof. Could physicists in their lab emulate a black hole by spinning light into matter? In my futuristic sci-fi novel, The Trillionist, a young man builds a quantronics machine to spin light into atoms of valuable, pure elements. Proof number 5 for Trillion theory would come from astronomers who photograph a black hole as it splits in two. When a supernova explosion occurs, each surviving black hole of the solar system reacts by splitting into two black holes. Replication by black holes is how the cosmos grows in numbers of spheres, solar systems, and galaxies. Trillion theory says a sun's black hole always survives a powerful supernova, yet the powerful backlash splits the black hole into two, replicating it into two binary black holes. The supernova backlash splits the star's surviving black holes into twins. The two could end up as binary black holes so that a new solar system will have two suns. Or the supernova could blast the twins far apart so that each will center its own solar system. Trillion theory calls on astronomers to joint venture with Trillion theory to catch a black hole in action as it replicates itself from one into two black holes. This discovery would definitely prove Trillion theory. So I restate the 5 proofs for Trillion theory. 1, to discover the large cluster of naked black holes that survive a supernova. 2, to uncover the true age of a supermassive black hole that's hundreds of billions of years old. 3, to discover a cloaked black hole inside the cosmic sphere, which has spun around itself. 4, to spin light into matter in a physics lab. And 5, to photograph a black hole after a supernova as it replicates and splits into 2 black holes. My Trillion Theory video series is based upon Trillion Theory's 7-book series. On this page, you can click a link to one of my Trillion Theory books or one of my articles. If you are an astronomer, an astrophysicist, or a physicist, please partner with Trillion Theory. If you are an investor who likes upside potential, or an angel investor wishing to be part of a legacy, email theory1@telus.net. For more on Trillion Theory, go to the next video in the Trillion Theory series. And the Trillion Theory, the full version, is now available. To take action, share my Trillion Theory videos and click the subscribe button to receive more of my YouTube videos, and visit my website, trillionist.com.